What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you my 3 different techniques that I use to do product research. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're not going to want to miss this. What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel. I'm Ecom Dave. For those who don't know me, I am a 6-figure Amazon FBA seller and coach. This channel is all about entrepreneurship and obviously Amazon FBA. In today's video, we're gonna talk about my 3 big product research techniques that I use to find winning products on Amazon. And if you haven't yet, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them on the comments below and I'll get right to them. Alright guys, let's get started. Product research technique number 1, it is using Viral Launch's Product Discoveries web app, right? This tool lets you enter in filters like categories, average monthly sales, average monthly revenue, average page 1 reviews, right? The average price per unit on those markets, and then it spits out all those products that fit your filters criteria, right? This tool also has an advanced filter section which lets you enter in how many searches the keywords that they're going to show you are getting a month, right? It also lets you enter in filters like market trends, right? The sales history of the product, right? These are all incredible features that will make your product research go a lot faster, right? This is my number 1 product research technique for a reason, because it makes things go by so much quicker, right? Just using this tool, I have found many winning products that are now making me thousands a month on Amazon, right? Product research technique number 2, it is using Amazon's best sellers list. How I get to the Amazon's best sellers list is you simply Google Amazon best sellers, click on the first link, and it's gonna give you a list of the best sellers, right? Now, what I teach on my coach is to narrow down, right? Don't look at the main niches, right? You want to look at the sub niches, right? And how you do that is, say for example, we're looking into the best sellers on the baby category, right? We're gonna narrow down to nursery, and then on nursery we're gonna narrow down to, say for example, diapering, and then we're going to look for the best sellers in that category. Now, another way of using Amazon's best sellers list is by going to the main niches, seeing what the best sellers in those are, and then seeing what products are selling with those best sellers. I have found many winning products this way as well. Product research technique number 3, it is using Amazon's autofill, right? We are going to start with a big word, say for example, reusable or recyclable, and then we're gonna type in the letter A and see what it autofills, right? Amazon is going to use its past research data to show us products that other customers have searched before, right? So the more this product has been searched, the higher it's going to appear on the autofill section, right? So you better believe that all these products that Amazon is autofilling for us on the search bar are getting searched a lot a month, right? So that means a lot of demand. So we're gonna go, say for example, recyclable A, see what comes up. We're gonna come up recyclable B, see what comes up. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. If you haven't yet, please add yourself to a private Facebook group family. We are almost at 200 members. You're not gonna regret it. I do lives there every week. And if you are interested on joining my coaching program, I am opening up a few spots at the end of the month. You can simply click on the link on the description, and it's going to take you to an application page. After you're done with the application, then we will get on a call and see if you're a great fit for my program. And if you are accepted in, then we'll get started on showing you how to crush it on Amazon. Again guys, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next.